So we will start with SQL basics. In this video we will start with creating databases and getting a hands-on of all the basics that I have created in this file, which would be helpful in creating a basic software using Python. And in the future video we will also be creating some applications using Firebase database. So for now we will just start with using MySQL client. As you can see, I am using MySQL client version 5.5.62. You can use any version as you want. So I will start with creating a database. First of all, I will show all the databases. Show databases. Now I will create a database practice. Okay, now I will move to database. Use practice. Okay, now I will create a table. I will do this thing at the last of this video. First I will create a table with these constraints. So I will create a table, name employee with id as integer type, auto increment primary key, and id is done. Then we will create name, which is varchar of 20, and it is just not null. And then we have a designation with varchar of 25 and its default value something fresher. Okay, so that was done. Now I will show all the tables. So as you can see, I have an employee table over here. Now I will describe this table. Describe a table. So I will describe the employee. So as you can see, here we have 3 columns: name, id and designation, with this null field and these much attributes. So I will start with actually inserting a row. So I will start with insert into student, and I will just describe name and designation, and values of it would be Jack and Keeper, anything. Sorry, actually the table name is employee. I will insert some more values to it. Actually what I will be doing is, now I will remove this designation thing and I will just add name to the table. So comma Jack, James, Julia, James, anything. Okay, so as you can see, 2 rows were inserted. Now to show all the rows, insert multiple rows, I will actually retrieve all the rows. So select star from employee. So as you can see, this default field was automatically set, and this thing was I didn't actually mention that, and it was automatically set due to auto increment field. Now what I will do is update a particular row. For example, if I want to update this, so I will go do something like update employee set name equals to uh, uh, phaser, anything, and what I have to do, set its name and where name was James. So as you can see, query was executed. Now when I do like this, here you can see phaser is updated. So now I will move to delete a particular row from the table. So delete from employee where name equals to Jack. Okay, so as you can see, Jack was removed. Now I will truncate all the data from the table. So truncate employee. Now I will, as you can see, all the data was removed. Now what I have to do is I have to actually insert some more data again. So I will just insert these again, and okay, actually truncating anything, just what I have to do is I have to add some columns, add, delete and modify a column. Okay, so alter table, add column, I have to add a phone column, integer type. Okay, error, acha, add employee. Okay, add employee, add table, alter table, alter table employee, add a column with column name phone as an integer. So as you can see, this is updated, and when I go to select star from employee, here null was set. Now I have to delete a column, so alter table, delete, alter table, drop column, alter table employee, drop column phone. Okay, now I have to describe the table again. Describe employee. So as you can see, the column was removed. Now for example, I have to actually update this column, so I will do something like this: alter table employee, modify column phone with float. I will change its data type. Now when I go to describe, as you can see, its data type is changed. So I will just delete this column, alter table, drop column phone. Okay, now what I have to do is rename this table. So rename table employee to employee details. Okay, so show tables. So here you can see the employee details table. So now what I have to do, I have to delete a database. So I will do something like this: drop database, practice show databases. As you can see, drop command worked successfully and the database has been removed. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.